In this video, I'm going to show you how to make categories on Acuity scheduling. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to appointment types over here on the left on your dashboard, and then you want to go to types. Here, you want to either create a new type or, of course, edit the existing one. So I'm just going to click on over here where it says tutor call, and I'm going to click on edit. Now, whenever you're customizing this, of course, you can change whatever you want here. If you're creating a new one, you can start from scratch and go through all this, and then you want to scroll down, and over here it says category. Now, as you can see by default, the category here is none. So if you want to make categories, you want to click on create new category. You have to give it a name. So I'm going to name this one business, for example, okay, like this, and I'm going to click on save. There we go. As you can see from the drop down, I now have the business category over here. So I can just go and save this top right over here. And you can see if I go to something else, for example, if I go to, let's just do like a channel advice, and if I click on edit over here, I can scroll down and the category named business is now visible in here as well. If I make a new one, it's going to be visible in every single appointment type as well. And then whenever you basically add things to that specific category, they're going to show like this as categories over here. And of course, you can also rename them, clicking on them over here and basically changing their name and hitting save. Okay, so that's how to make categories. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.